Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a crafty haul, and two things to mention. One, this is my haul from A Cherry on Top for the month of June. My May order that I put in is still being held because it was mostly pre-orders. So I pre-ordered like Adventurous from Paige Evans, Bold and Bright from Vicky Boutin, Get Crafty or It's Crafty from Simple Stories, and the sketchbook collection from Bay Valent. Anyways, like half of them are in and the other half aren't. So I still don't have the box for May to show you still. So I guess it will be clumping that into July, but this is for June, and then I'll be proud of myself. There's the second thing. I actually did not spend an extra amount of money on any scrapbooking supplies the last month or so. So May, and we're into June. And June's my birthday, actually. I'm filming this on my birthday. And I really haven't overspent, which is good. I mean, like I said, I have plenty. I don't even need to buy anything. You know, that's the thing. But when new things come out, new releases, yeah, I mean, I may have maybe purchased a stamp set linked with like my Ali Edwards, but I rarely show you like my subscription, monthly subscription. Remember, I only have Ali Edwards subscriptions and Elle Studio, so I still get those every month. And I do get add-ons to that, but I think I always forget to show you those because since they're subscriptions, they kind of just get put into my kind of cart of how to use them, and we go from there. So I have been scrapbooking and showing you a lot of the products. So since the last time, this is A Cherry on Top. I picked up these two sets from Joann's recently. I haven't played with these, and you can always use a good birthday set. So these are just the cardstock stickers, and then these are the foam stickers. That was from Joann's, because I think everything else in Joann's I did put in the last video because I got the Vicky Boutin line, and I think though that was in the last video, so that's been already like 4 weeks ago. And I'm not sure, and correct me if I did, but I don't think I showed you that I did eventually now put in my sticker order at Love Posh. These are my favorite. She came out with this one, and this one was her new release, and I had to get this one. This one reminds me of that crafty one from Simple Stories, and then these were like the previous release that I still wanted, but I was waiting because, if you also know me, I live in Florida. So when she offered these as Luxe Summer, Spring, Winter, and Fall, they were a box set first, and I knew I wouldn't use the Fall and Winter ones as much as I would do these, so I needed to wait for them to get back in stock as a individual book, so that's why. So Luxe Spring, you know me. Okay, so they always have functional stickers. I rarely use those, but you can see why I got them. I mean, they're just my favorite floral stickers. I use these mostly when you'll see these on my channel is in my memory planner, and I'm trying to be good about doing my daily journal, but I have slipped off the wagon. I'm trying to get back into it. Actually, and here it is. So in the beginning of the year, remember I bought a Hemlock and Oak. I was good in the beginning of the year. See, I left it bedside, did a little bit about the day, and that was month 1. Okay, January. Oh no, okay, so I did do February. Here's not even stickering. And I think after February, oh no, March, that's all I did. Here. Yeah, April, there's not a thing. May, not a thing. So here we are in June, and I think I've tried. Let's see where, yeah, I've been trying. But yeah, here we are. So that's why I was using them as like a daily journal. I can't even do a daily journal, y'all, and I spent too much money on that book. So here's the summer one. So I really got just journal, but look how pretty. You know, me and palm trees. See that page sold me too, with the hibiscus and everything. It's like my favorite. Monstera and the palm leaves. You can see why I needed these in my life, right? You can see why. So pretty. Then the Crafty Chic Crafter has some sentiments, and then all the crafty things. Look, like beading, craft room stuff. These are pretty. Like clay and pottery. Yarn and watercolor. So cute. Painting. Sewing. Look at that little dust. Yes, just really cute. I just like that. These ones are the ones that remind me of the Simple Story collection. So cute. And then Botanist Babe. So this one definitely was like a plant lady vibe. So cute. Oh, love. Yes. Yes, I am very happy with these. Haven't used them yet. I will. But so pretty. And the succulents. So pretty. So those are those. And then you always get like a thank you vinyl sticker with the order. So then from Cherry on Top, I got these tiny blending foams. I didn't realize they said tiny. I needed the regular ones, but it's okay. The regular ones being this size, not that size. Whoops, but they'll still work. They'll still use them. So I got those. Then for mark making on my art journaling, I got these Essential Pack by Art by Marlene. She is fantastic. She's the one you've seen me use, like her, let's see if I can find it quick. The rice paper collage papers. Are they quick? Right here somewhere. You've seen me use them. Of course, all I can see is the Dina. Okay, well, you know I've used her papers on my art journaling. So these are just fun because look at all the mark making ones. So in case you don't want to go in with like your Sharpie marker and do these little mark makings, here is a stamp. It's a 6x8. I thought it was fantastic. It's been in my cart like on the way, like, you know, use it later, check out later, not use it. Finally pulled the trigger. Then, you know me and a good Altenew. So Nostalgic Florals. This is the stamp, and then here's the coordinating die cut. Yeah, Altenew does the best florals in my opinion. And now I've just loved, because I used to only get these, like the stamp set, and that's great. But now that I know how to have an awesome die cutting machine, this is a game changer with me. So I have those. The only thing I picked up from the new Dina Wakley release is this mask and stencil of the female figures. There were other like collage papers and transparencies. And a few stamp sets, but not my favorite, because you know in my last haul I did a few of her past collage sheets because they were on sale and stuff, so I don't need any more. But this one was definitely cool. I don't have anything like that for my collection. Then as far as mixed media, I was going to get more gloss sprays from Dina Wakley, but remember when I was doing projects not too long ago and I wanted to like heat emboss something, like I stamped on it for like a mixed media background. Like, so say I did a mixed media background and then I wanted to stamp these and emboss them in order to cut them out. I couldn't emboss them on the gloss sprays because remember those are acrylic paint, so it's plastic, so the fumes would come off of it. So my next in line of a collection is the Distress Oxides. So I got Lucky Charm, Shaded Lilac, and Sponge Sugar. These are colors I do not have in my collection. And then I got a re-inker for the Stays On Archival ink, is what that one was for, because mine was dried out the other day. So I definitely added that to my cart as a necessity. But I definitely needed a green. Like anytime I do, especially when I think of flowers, I don't have all the good green variations for it. And I should have gotten actually 2 greens, because the only other green I have in the Oxide line is the Cracked Pistachio. But Lucky Clover, hopefully I can get some variation with adding a little blue to it or a little bit of yellow. Then the purple and a light pink, because I have the darker one. So I have picked Raspberry and I have the other purpley one, this one, Wilted Violet. So in order to have some variation in pink and purple flowers, I picked these up for my stash. And then lastly, I picked up a little bit because I told you about that big massive pre-order I have. I haven't had any of the new kits, even though I still haven't played with True Colors. But Simple Vintage Linen Market has this very summery red, white, and blue theme. So I got the foam thickers. And they are called, oh, there's the same thing. So Linen Market. I got 2 packs of the floral bits. You know me, I already know my style. I'm going to use these over and over again, so just give me 2. And I thought about getting the other ephemera bit, but because of the way the sticker sheet was, it kind of had these elements anyway with the truck and the watering can. There was a truck in one of them, like this truck. So I thought that was enough, because not really my vibe to lean for those, but the flowers, I will always add a flower. So I got those two. These are always like definite buys in a collection. And then this one. So I'll flip through it real quick in case you haven't seen it. This one is readily available and you can pick it up now. So here is the sticker sheet. Okay. And then am I in the right spot? I always forget how these work. Okay, so is it one of every sheet or is it two? I never know either. Okay, this one is called Blue Skies Ahead. This one is Life is Sweet. Polka dot orange or yellow. This one looks like a bandana. This one is Celebrate the Good Times. I like that one. Walking on Sunshine. Polka dot again, like a quilt one. Sweet and Simple. Little floral. Oh, I love this one. From the Heart. This one's Enjoy Every Minute. Love this one too. I love the mixed media vibe. Like, you know, you don't have to do too much already. It's already done for you. And then the back, oh, another quilt. Here is a tag cut apart sheet that comes usually now in every kit, and I love this page. I always do. Love it, love it. Here is the cut apart for journaling bits with the blue bandana. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. They shouldn't have done that one in the back. The 3x4 cut apart page. Oh, with the lemons in the back. Oh, they shouldn't have done that either. Oh, phooey. And then this one is a 2x2 and 4x4 cut apart page. Flower. And then the 4x6. See, they couldn't have just put like a regular repeating pattern behind the cut aparts. Like this one was fine because, you know, you might sacrifice. You can say that's okay to use. This one is fine because you might not use that one. But come on. Those even together can make a layout. And now you have to choose. See? And this is when, if you're me and you go put an order, get an extra sheet of both of these so that you don't have to choose. That's what I just learned right there. All right, so that's the collection I will be working on next as well. It's very pretty. And that is everything. So I will leave as much as I can linked for you down below so that you can shop as well. And stay tuned for more projects using these products. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.